Hi, I am Pharmacist John Ogoji. Today we shall be looking at types of examination questions. Examinations are a very common assessment and evaluation tool in all academic levels. There are many types of examination questions. Exams can be conducted effectively in a secure online environment or assigned as paper-based or online take-home exams. Current emphasis on online studies require the review of types of examination questions in order to make proper choice of appropriate questions for contemporary exams. We shall look at 7 types of examination questions. The multiple choice. There are various types of multiple choice questions. Odd one out, negative question, best answer, multiple answers, combined responses. There are true and false questions, matching questions, short answer questions, essay, oral, computational. As we look at the multiple choice questions, you will discover that multiple choice exams are used to test your knowledge of the course material and your problem solving ability. A multiple choice question consists of the question called instead and several answer choices. The incorrect answer choices are called distractors. This type of question is further divided as follows. Odd one out. This type of question lists several answers in a particular pattern and asks you to choose the answer that does not fit or match the other answers. It tests the ability to think about patterns and relationship between ideas. For example, which one of the following does not fit? Banana, apple, spinach, and orange. 1b. Negative questions. This question examines whether you are reading the questions and answers carefully. Asks you to choose the answer that is not correct. For example, which of the following statements about the moon is not true? A. The moon is inhabited. B. The moon orbits the earth. C. The moon is full of craters. 1c. Best answer. In this, more than one answer might be true, but the correct answer is the one that is most true. Such questions are used when an exact answer is less likely, and they test critical thinking skills. Keywords in the question, like best or most likely, indicate that you must choose the best answer out of the list of seemingly correct responses. For example, which of the following is the best way to eat healthy? Multiple answer tests critical skills and ask the test taker to recall several ideas at once. The multiple answer may include 2 or more correct answers, and you need to choose all the correct answers. For example, if the correct answers are A and B, then you choose both A and B. Combined response tests critical thinking skills and asks the test taker to recall several ideas at once. Answers include 2 or more correct choices, but only one choice is the correct answer, the one that lists all the choices. For example, which of the following is classified as fruit? Apple, orange, tomato, both A and B. A, B, and C. The second question type is true or false. This comprises of a statement, which is the question or stain, and two answer choices, true or false. It is used to measure your ability to recognize the correctness of the statements and to test critical thinking. The answer is true only if the statement is completely true. Contains keywords such as always and never. For example, lightning is always followed by thunder. A. True. B. False. 3. Matching. Students respond to matching questions by pairing each of the sets of schemes, e.g. definitions, with one of the choices provided on the exam. Used to assess recognition and recall, and so are most often used in courses where acquisition of detailed knowledge is an important goal. Short answer questions are typically composed of a brief prompt that demands a written answer that varies in length from 1 or 2 words to a few sentences. They are most often used to test basic knowledge of key facts and terms. For example, this kind of short answer question follows. What do you call an exam format in which students must uniquely associate a set of prompts with a set of options? Answer: matching questions. Alternatively, this could be written as a fill in the blank short answer question. An exam question in which students must uniquely associate prompts and options is called a dash question. The answer is matching question. Essays. Essay questions provide a complex prompt that requires written responses which can vary in length from a couple of paragraphs to many pages. Provide students with an opportunity to explain their understanding and demonstrate creativity. Making these questions can be time consuming and greater agreement can be difficult. It demonstrates that students can integrate the course material in creative ways. Therefore, it is a favored approach to test higher levels of cognition, including analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. We also have oral exams. It allows students to respond directly to the instructor's questions or to present prepared statements. That they provide nearly immediate feedbacks and so allow the students to learn as they are tested. There are two main drawbacks to oral exams: amount of time required, problem of record keeping. And finally, we have the computational questions. Computational questions require that students perform calculations in order to solve for an answer, used to assess students' memory of solution techniques and the ability to apply those techniques to solve questions. Teacher describes and models the correct format for the calculations and answer, including how students should report their assumptions and justify their choices. The units and degree of precision expected in the answer. Conclusion: the listed types of examination questions can be an effective and efficient way to assess learning outcomes. Each of the question types have several potential advantages and disadvantages. The key to taking advantage of the strengths of each type of exam question is the construction of good questions. The best choice of type depends on the platform for administering the examination. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Bye bye.